Hey guys, Umotola here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming back here to watch my videos. Guys, it's evening here from the US. Actually, it's 7 evening. So we're about to start cooking supper, but I thought most of you guys are shopping for Christmas. You guys are shopping for presents for your family ones or for your loved ones, for your friends. But I thought some people might want to purchase edible presents. And I wanted to give you some ideas of what kind of edibles that you guys are going to purchase. Talking about edibles, today someone gifted me or was gifting our workers gifts for Christmas. And this gave me an idea. I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to tell you guys what kind of gifts you're gonna be, gifting. So I have this gift here. Look at it. This person really has already, I love her so much. This person has already started gifting us. This was my first gift from work. Somebody just gifted us, and I thought I'd come here and show you how she was thoughtful, how she put work in here, detailing how she wrapped it. It was wrapped here. I just opened it, but it was just wrapped really nice like this. And she was just gifting to everybody. Guys, I'm wearing a sweater because it's really very cold. I'm cold. So I'm about to lit fire, but hey, I wanted to show you this. So this person, this is an edible thing in here. So I'm gonna open. Look, the way she was thoughtful. I don't know, she purchased this thing here. And then in here, she put this. Look at that. This is an apple in here, an apple in here, and it's caramel, right? And some sprinkles here. So she gifted everybody here. You see how she decorated with the Christmas sprinkles and Christmas, like a Christmas tree. And this is caramel here. My goodness, this apple, when we are going to eat it, it's gonna be so sweet. So do you see how you can be very creative when you're giving somebody a gift? So she was so thoughtful, and she put this apple in here in this beautiful bag here. It's very small but very cute. Look at that. Yeah. And then she put it in here, and then she was gifting everybody. I didn't know what was in here until I opened. Okay, so this is one kind of a gift, edible gift, because I'm gonna put it in the freezer so that we can eat it. Okay, so this is one of the gifts. And also I wanted to give you some ideas, more ideas of edible gifts. You can go to a grocery store, or you can make a basket of edible fruits or whatever. But I thought these snacks were really good. I got these snacks from Costco. These are some of the snacks you can just actually gift somebody during Christmas, because people are eating. As I told you, if you have not watched some of my videos, this Christmas people wanted to eat, because I was on my IG, I was asking people what they could love this Christmas, and most of the people, they said they wanted a food. So these are the kind of things or edible gifts you can give to actually people. These are some sweet. I'm not promoting, guys. I'm just saying the gifts that I'm thoughtful, the gifts that I'm gonna gift my people, and also telling you, my fans, what kind of gifts you are going to give your loved ones if you're going to do edible things. Okay, so these are dried plums. These plums are really good. Look at them. I already eating. These are mine. I already eating, but I thought, let me just tell you, I just want to get one and to show you how they look like. Oh, they're huge. So they're dried. They're really sweet. So they came in this bag. I don't know, you can find them in a grocery store. You can buy a bigger bag, or you can buy a smaller bag, but this is how they look. Look at that. Really good. I'm gonna eat one so you see. They're just gummy. So if you buy this one and wrap it really good, or put it in a basket or in a bag, sorry guys, and give somebody, I'm telling you, they will thank you. They will thank you, because these are dried and they're organic they will love this kind of gifts if you are going to give edible. I love them. Another one I found, let me just close it. Another one, I found this one. These are whole cashew nuts. Oh my goodness, look at this fancy cashew with sea salt, okay? These are organic as well. You can actually give somebody this. You can just do two if you want to do this one and this one, or you can do just one each and wrap it really nice, put it in a basket, put it in a bag, or wrap it, and then surprise somebody with this gift. Put it under a tree, okay? Guys, speaking of the tree, you can see behind me, these are my boys' Christmas tree. They already decorated their Christmas tree. Actually, they have 3 trees here in the house, okay? You're gonna see those trees in the beginning of this video. You can see the trees that they already have. They're still decorating it. They have not done because everybody's busy right now, okay? I'm making this video at 7, almost getting to 7:30, so you can understand. But I have to make a video for you, okay? So you can do this cashew whole, they call it fancy whole cashews with sea salt, okay? I don't know if you can read it. I don't know, but they they look like this. Let me show you. This is how they look. They're just like nuts. They're a little salty, not too much, but it's really good. And they're organic. They have 160 calories right here, so you can read all the good stuff from behind, okay? So guys, I got this from a department store here they call Costco. I already made videos of Costco. If you have not watched those videos, go ahead and watch and have fun. All the gift ideas and everything I showed you there. Make sure you go to my channel, watch more videos. So far, this is the gift number 3 actually. If you want to gift your loved ones. I was just going through the store. I'm like, what kind of gift somebody can gift somebody? Edible, which is edible. What is somebody's gonna make a basket? What kind of gifts people are going to make? And these are the ideas. I know it's not late. You can just purchase and get these ideas. So this is one of them. Oh well guys, another one is here. It's called Simply Granola. It's a combination of oats, honey, raisins, and almonds together. Look at that. These are raisins. You can eat this with milk, or people just eat it as a snack, just chew it. Or you can just, it also has some honey here. You can even mix with extra honey if you want. And these are the good edible Christmas gifts, guys. You can give somebody. I seriously mean it. These are good gifts. So I got this one as well from Costco. They have a small bag. You can go to another department store and find them. Grocery stores, you can find them. But this is a fancy gift that you're going to put in your basket, okay? Don't forget this granola, because you can eat it in the morning as cereal, okay? I love this. All right, let me show you how it looks like. Guys, I opened everything because I wanted to show you this one. It looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like this. It looks like rice. It looks like that. Okay. So this is how it looks like. And it's so hard. So make sure when you chew, that's why it's recommended if you can, you don't have problems with your teeth. Make sure you mix with milk or water, because they are so sweet. Oh my goodness. They are heart healthy. They make your heart, if you have a problem with the heart. They have excellent fiber. It's a source of fiber. And these things actually comes in 2 bags. So I took 1 bag out. So one of the bag is in my pantry. Also you can see a picture of almonds here, raisins here, honey here. So it's really a good bag. Just that's what they say, simply delicious, okay? I love this. I love this. So these are some of the gifts you are going to have to be giving people, your loved ones, your friends, your family members, everybody. Another good thing that I found was this one. Who doesn't like to drink coffee? People love to drink coffee. People are, I'm not gonna say addicted to coffee, especially in my work. People drink coffee. I drink coffee as well. Do you drink coffee? So if you buy a gift for somebody, this is Toaster's Choice. If you also blend, if you give somebody this, you can give, you don't have to give all this big old container. You can give a small one, whatever you are, medium, large, or small. This is large. So this will make a good gift, edible gift to somebody, a family member, friend, whatever. You can just put in a bag, wrap it really nice, and put it under the tree, or just hand it to a person, and somebody will thank you. Trust me, they will thank you. And also, they have a small ones. I found this. Oh, you can buy these bucket ones. Your branding, your brain's best friend. This is, let me show you. For Sematic. This is an instant coffee mix. This instant coffee milk, if you can get buckets of this, they come in a huge box, but I just took a bag out. Let me open it so I can show you. This just, you can just have hot water, warm water, or cold water if you like, or mixed with milk, and you have a bucket of your coffee here. So if you can give somebody these buckets, they will thank you. Okay, they will for sure thank you, and I'm sure they'll thank you so much. So don't say Umoto Lifestyle didn't tell you what you are going to give somebody if you are going to do edible. So I told you you're gonna do Sunsweet dried blooms. You're gonna do this Simply granola, and also, like, I want to make everything here. And also, you could do the cashew nuts here. I'm gonna make a thumbnail with this. Whoa, I think it's gonna be good. Okay, all right guys, I hope you've seen. So don't say Umoto Lifestyle didn't tell you what are the edibles that you are going to give to your loved ones. Guys, let me know what you think of this gift, okay? And let me know what you think of my videos of Christmas, and I want you guys to go there, watch, comment, enjoy, share, subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you do not want to miss all these gifts here, all the videos that I'm popping, okay? Guys, from my kitchen, because I need to make supper for my family. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye! Oh well guys, don't say Umoto Lifestyle didn't tell you what kind of edible gifts you are going to give your loved ones. All these gifts are edible. You can just wrap them, put them in a bag, put them in a box, and put it under the tree. And people will thank you so much. Oh, I forgot the coffee is here. I don't know guys if I'm going to be able to hold. I'm going to make a thumbnail with this. So all these gifts, I tell you, somebody somewhere who you're going to gift, they will thank you enough. They will say, thank you for gifting me this. Guys, let me know what you think of these gifts. Gifts. Let me know what you think. Did I do a good job? What were you thinking if you were going to give edible gifts? Okay, what were you thinking? I want to know. Comment below. Let me know what you were thinking. Guys, make sure you like the videos. Make sure you share. Make sure you don't forget to put on that notification bell, because that bell actually tells you or notified you when I'm popping or I'm posting another video. Guys, it's going to be almost 8. I need to cook supper for my people, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.